Wi-Fi channel congestion can significantly slow down your internet speed by creating interference between nearby networks. Straight talk gateways operate on three frequency bands: 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz. Each band has different characteristics affecting speed and interference. To identify the least crowded channel, use a Wi-Fi analyzer app like NetSpot. This tool scans your area and shows which channels have the most interference from neighboring networks. The app will display available channels across the frequency spectrum. Look for channels with minimal overlap and congestion, then manually select the clearest one in your gateway settings. If your devices support it, prioritize the 6 GHz band with Wi-Fi 6E technology. This newer band offers minimal interference and higher speeds due to its wider channels. For devices without 6 GHz support, switch to 5 GHz, which has more non-overlapping channels than the crowded 2.4 GHz band. Switching to a clearer channel reduces interference and latency, improving streaming quality and overall network performance. Remember, selecting a cleaner channel directly translates to a faster, more reliable internet connection.